In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can renew your ENS or your .eth domain names. Now, there's two main ways that you can do this. The first one is to go to ens.vision, which is my favorite application or website for trading ENS domains. Now, what you're going to want to do is go to your profile where you have a domain that you want to renew. Now, there's a couple ways that you can do renewals directly through the ens.vision application. For starters, you can click on one of your domains. You can see up here in the right-hand corner when it expires, and if you want to hit this button here, you can renew it directly here. You can choose how many days, weeks, months, or years you want to renew it for, and it's going to tell you how much that will cost. Now, if you wanted to actually proceed with this, it's going to pop up in your Web3 wallet asking you to confirm the transaction, and there you go, as simple as that. But there's a couple other useful ways that you can use ens.vision to renew your domains, and let me show you one of the best features. And that is, if you go to your page where you have all your domains, you can see there's the option to renew down here. Now, this is where you can actually bulk renew multiple domains all at the same time, which is a great feature. So let's say I wanted to renew all three. I would hit renew all three, and they would all pop up in the cart here, allowing me to renew them, and I can actually sync the expirations. So the first thing I can do is just extend the registration for all of these by a certain number of months or years, but I could also sync the expiration date. So let's say I wanted to make sure that they all expired on the same day in 2028, January 2028. Well, I could do that. Now, it's coming up with this error because I don't have enough funds in my wallet right now to renew all of these for that amount of time. But this is a useful tool, so you can renew all of them at the same time, and you can make sure that they're all going to expire at the exact same date. And that just makes it easier to keep track of. Now, the other way that you can renew these domains is by going directly to the ENS application. It doesn't have that multi-domain renewal feature, but you can hit on the My Names tab when you connect your wallet, and you can manage your domains here. So if I wanted to renew crypto.cove.eth, I could just extend it by hitting on this button here, and I could choose how long I want to extend it for. Although notably, in the new ENS application, you can only extend by a minimum of 1 year. It doesn't let you put fractions of a year. So that is somewhat of a downside. You can extend for multiple years, but not less than a year, unless you actually use the old ENS app, which you can get to by hitting this little button up here and clicking old ENS application. If you go to the old ENS app, which still works even though they've upgraded and given their application a new look and feel, but the old application is still online here, and I could go to cryptocove.eth, and in the old application, you can actually extend for fractions of a year. So if I wanted to extend for, say, 0.1 year, I could actually do that. So that is a nice feature that you have here. But honestly, at this point, I recommend using ens.vision. It's just got more functionality. It makes it easier to manage all your domains in one spot. And of course, you can also trade them directly on the ens.vision app, which you cannot do on the ENS application itself. This is simply for registering or extending, but here you can register, extend, and buy and sell, which is great. So yeah, those are the main ways that you can extend or renew your .eth ENS domain names. Hopefully you found this tutorial helpful, and have yourself a great day.